Today we are draining our garden. We are inundated with water. It floods, as you saw when we were building. So today we've got our neighbour from over there, way over there, our neighbour. He's got all the tools. His name's Stuart, and we're now digging the trench, and then we put the membrane in, and then we're going to put the stones in. Stones are over there, and then we're going to put these stuff in it, and then we're going to go all the way 50 yards all the way to there. So we're going to scratch this surface and clean it. We've got the skip again. Here we go. All that earth that we put there the last time, we're now cutting through it and sending the pipe out to drain off the water. We've got a lot of work to do, but let's see what happens. So we got the forklifter, is it? And the dumper truck. Here, beginner for new day. It's never ending. God, this type of thing to make you old before time. And what we're going to do is as well, is over here, the floor here dips. So we're going to dump some of the earth or clay. We're going to get the topsoil, the better part, and dump it on this section and level this section out. So now today we have to move the shed, take the stuff out of it, put it up a bit higher, but we can't because there's the cispet. So we can't go too high above this. But that's today's job. We've got him for a day. I don't believe all can be done in a day, but let's begin. Clint! Clint! Clint, don't put it all on top of each other, spread it. There's a hole here. Go. Huh?
You alright? You alright?
Yeah, fine.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Years ago, they just used to use the stone,
Okay.
didn't they?
Yeah.
Years ago, as a thing. But this is good because it gives it a second life, doesn't it? It only clicks in. You know what I mean?
So it doesn't wind in. I'm going a bit more. There we go. So we've got this one joining it here.
Clint,
Yeah.
you only got that mark.
Okay.
Then you look, little spur of a collar. The others are about 1.5 inches.
Alright.
You've barely got 1/4 of an inch. Have you? 1/2 inch. You happy with that?
Yep.
Yeah.
Yep.
I'm not on candy camera, am I?
No, only just swags.
Well, you can stone up here now if you want to.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I would.
So we can get some stone.
Yeah, yeah. I've got a bit in there, haven't we, Clint?
Not really.
Can we get that bit on the end? Hold the tail down.
Not much in there really.
Hey?
Hardly anything in there. Yeah.
Are you going to put an end on this bit? Won't the water backlog out this way? Look at that. All day. It's a new day, another day, and continuation of this land drain or French drain. So we're getting on, as you can see. It's now buried, the pipe is buried. Right, so
I don't make a good photo, I'm not very pretty now. I used to be quite good looking.
You're alright to me, mate. Don't you worry about that. Clark Gable going on there.
Hey?
yeah, this
Hello,
is good.
Jack. Apparently you've got something you've done.
Yeah.
Is that right?
So here that section's done, and that is as I explained. This is Stuart, our next door neighbour. We're getting ready now. We've ordered. So far, we've used 5 tons of stones, gravel, and now that's the leftover. And now we're getting ready to receive 10 tons more. So that will be delivered in a sec. Over there, you see we've dumped some earth over there. That's because there's a dip in the floor, so we're going to level that bit out and then sprinkle some grass on top and allow it to grow. So that's another adventure. I tell you what, this garden has taken quite a lot of money to get to this stage at the moment. Ridiculous. Just to explain how you put
I'd
this.
have washed my hair and had a shaven.
Just to explain how to connect this together, as you can see, there was a long run, and it's relatively simple. So
Yeah.
one's already joined. So
Yeah, I'm just
you can.
saying to Clint, they make this stupid little collar, and then they give you like a 2-inch one here.
Yeah.
What a bad design.
Yeah, never mind. So Karen, there's
So-
There we go.
clicks in.
All in.
Yeah. So that's how simple it is to put them in, and that's
Yeah.
what they've been doing all the time.
Right.
Yeah.
You happy with that?
Yes. Yeah.
Lovely.
So all the joins are done in that way. So that's an explanation.
That's your joint. All right.
Thank you. And now, as you can see, they're covering it up.
You get that one there, Clint.
So, mate.
We've got the bed to there, haven't we?
Yeah.
Oh, we ain't got a lot of stones. I'll get the rest in there.
Yeah.
In there.
Can we?
We can.
When we finish this one?
Well, really want to get that one.
When we finish this
here.
one? Yeah. So then we start covering all this stone.
And then you can see what my job is. You can't see me doing anything because I have to stop and do the filming. I can't find my video stand, but such is life. We're in such a mess at the moment. So that's my job today, to fold this all up and put the earth back on top and put the turf.
Alright?
Yep.
Now you've got your bottom boundary. Now your turf here. See this? This can go in anywhere now. In there. Well, it overhangs a bit. Well, that won't hang there. Just cut it a bit off. Put in there, look. You've got quite a bit of muck in these. One like this. And on there. There you go.
Yep, looking
You keep
good
it
already.
Like that. Alright? Later on, I'll put the track on it.
Yeah, and then push it down.
You put it down a bit. You may have to later on put a bit of topsoil here and there. Can you follow on at that?
Oh yeah, yeah.
Alright, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's looking finished. Move your turf. Where like that. You've got nice stuff here to use in here. And do what I say. Huh? And the same again. Crunch it down. And that leaves you a nice fine.
Yeah.
Are you alright?
Yep, I'm fine.
Let it go. You use all your crumbs. And you're winning because the weather's been kind to you. If it was raining, it'd go to a sea of mud.
Yeah.
Alright. See, you want a bit of fine, keep this up. The rake will do all your stuff up. You know what I mean?
Yes.
You can see I'm a Percy thrower, can't you? Alright?
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Like that. You get your turf again. Then on there. You with me?
I'm with you. Great. Yeah, I'll
Gives
do
you a
that.
finish.
Yeah. Thank you.
You happy with that?
I'm happy with it. Yeah.
And then what you do is break your crumbs up.
Yeah.
When you get your bed like lumpy, you put a few little crumbs to gather all in your
Then the gap.
that's it.
Yeah.
Alright?
Alright then, thanks.
You get a nice neat job.
Good. So what are we doing here now, Stuart?
We're putting a solid pipe into the river.
Into the river.
And later on you'll put a valve on this, will you?
Yeah.
It only just goes on there. You know what I mean by valve, don't
But
you?
it opens and closes.
Hey, builder's yard, just ask one. If they ain't got one, they'll get one in for you. Do you know Mitchell's
Yeah.
in Hawley?
They'll have one, will they?
We might not have one because they're not full after. They don't keep heavy stock, but you'll get one. Alright. See Graham in there. That's it.
So these are the techniques.
Pardon?
These are the techniques of overcoming getting it in the hole.
What, the pipe?
No, the fairy liquid.
We're
Putting the
putting-
pipe into another one.
Lubrication. That's
Yeah.
into the collar.
Yeah.
They call that a spigot.
Oh, or
Grease the spigot. And
K-gel.
Right, if you hold the pipe there then, can you hold the pipe, back pipe?
Yeah, go on.
They went.
Yeah, that's
Oh, look at that. Right, drag your pipe down your trench.
Aren't you going to put any,
No,
no?
no, you don't want water back.
Oh, right.
When that river comes up, if you don't mind me saying,
Yeah.
I brought him another piece of pipe so we can get out of there.
Yeah.
Alright, we've got the one.
Yeah.
Well done.
Shovel.
A shovel.
That looks like, Clint, that looks like it's slightly up on a hill.
Yeah, you can put a bit of clay. You know where the collar is in a minute, can't he?
Yeah.
Got a shovel.
No, I haven't.
Spade.
Bye.
You're going to stick it out by far? Clint, how far are you going to stick it out so that it's showing? Stick it out a great deal to allow for growing and backlog of this sliding down. I'm sure you thought of that. So what are you going to do here? You're going to lift it up here? Because it's going up, it's going on a hill.
Yeah, just where the collar is, a little bit there. You've got a bit of clay there, haven't you? You've got a bit of clay in there, just underneath there. Yeah, it goes up the other way.
In a couple of months, you would not have believed we were here. Glenn! It's amazing, isn't it? Stuart! Yeah. Isn't that amazing? That there.
Right.
Yeah, needs to go back a bit and do it again. Come more over this side. This side, come a bit more over this side. We've got to stop right now because we're out of stone and we're waiting for the delivery, which was supposed to come at 1 o'clock, so they're late. And we've come up with a hiccup as well. We have burst a main water pipe, so we have to stop. Sudden water has come out and switched off the tap. There it is, it's burst. It's our neighbour's tap, would you believe it? Look, can you see it? Still dripping, you can see it still dripping out. But it's meant to be switched off. So it was unfortunate. You couldn't see it. Whoa, 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 whoa. Right. So what we were doing is sending it out to this canal. But ah well, such is life. Look at that, you can't even tell that we dug up that floor. Isn't that amazing? So we've come to a halt at the moment. But it's 1:20 and we hope to finish this today. Whew. Thank God for man's knowledge and for machinery. 10 ton has just been delivered. So here we go. There it is. So it is to finish off that, and then around the building we're going to carry on the driveway going around the building to make a pathway. Unfortunately, we won't be able to finish this today, so we will be continuing it again on Monday, and that will make the 3rd day. But I am very pleased with how the grass turned out. It's 6 o'clock in the morning. I thought I'll come out and show you the floor. When you saw us dug the trench, the land drainage, you saw, I think this was the starting point. As you can see how it's grown back. Now there's dew on the floor at the moment. I thought I'll come out and do this before it rains. But in actual fact, I can feel a bit of rain now. But what I'm showing you here is, there's one of the trench you can see that we did. And this time last year, you could not walk on this grass without putting your boots on. And look at it now. Let's just show you how early this is in the morning. Look at it now. How many months later, and you wouldn't even known that we were here. The work that we did on this floor. I think there's another trench going off that way. And I think there was one going off there. Not too sure, I can't even see where it was now. And there was another one going off in that direction. But as you can see, and we've lost a few trees, so I've got to buy them back to catch up with these trees here. But they're progressing. Those ones, they were struggling, but now I've given it its own water. They're doing well. And I did strangle it with a bark. Here you can see, there's the pipe that's going out. There it is, it's going out. It's working well. So it's all linked up. So that here is a stream that's at the bottom of the garden. There's a stream. Where's the bridge? You can just about see the bridge over there. The tunnel. Anyway, this is the progress of the land draining that we did. Not a puddle in sight. All this was sloshy last year. This year, nothing. Fantastic. It actually worked. I didn't believe it would work. I thought it was a waste of money. I think we paid just over £2,000 for the digger, manpower, and the dumper truck to achieve this. It's absolutely beautiful. If by later on the sun has come out, then I will do this video again to show you the beauty, splendor of it all. But there it is. Job well done. And thank you, Stuart, for helping us.